In this video, we'll take you through a brief demonstration of the Tellius platform. In it, you'll see how easy it is to get the real answers you're looking for in dramatically less time than it takes today. Finding insights into your data today is hard. You're either struggling with finding relevant information in dashboards, doing painful manual analysis in spreadsheets, or you're waiting on your data scientist teams to train a model that they're pretty sure will probably work eventually. Are you looking to get real answers fast? Do you want to know what happened, why it happened, and how to move forward? Tellius simplifies complex data analysis by applying machine learning across billions of data points to put relevant insights in the hands of more people faster. Our natural language interface enables organizations to become self-service, data-driven, and reach their full potential. Tellius is a modern data platform that is accessible via a web browser. The user experience is driven first and foremost by natural language. Anyone can type a question and receive an instant answer as to what happened. In this case, we're looking at an e-commerce dataset. Questions can move from the basic to the complex, with Tellius automatically curating the best visualization based upon the question asked. Transparency is a key tenet of our platform, with the Tellius Search Inspector identifying exactly what question was asked and what information is being presented. Want to customize? We feature a fully configurable visualization engine with over 25 different chart types, an easy drag and drop interface, and simple customization panel that takes the need for report developers out of the equation. When you've found a visualization that has caught your eye or that contributes to answering the question at hand, you can simply add it to a Vizpad, a collection of visualizations that can be totally customized and shared. Throughout the search experience, Tellius constantly monitors your data to flag anomalies, patterns, or outliers that deserve further investigation. This can also be done using Tellius Feed, which allows anyone to subscribe to metrics that are of particular interest to them. Typical analysis of one of these anomalies today is a time-consuming manual process, not using Tellius. Our platform features Genius Insights, automated root cause analysis that provides users with relevant, insightful pieces of information that can help them to answer questions. No longer do users have to dig through 50 different dashboards, each based on only 2 or 3 dimensions. Tellius Genius Insights helps to answer your complex why questions by applying machine learning. From what drove change to comparing cohorts, Tellius makes unique discoveries that would take humans days. These Genius Insights are frameworks for answering questions that can automate complex, technical, and tedious work, compressing analysis timelines by applying artificial intelligence at scale with tremendous speed and accessibility. Tellius goes further than any other platform, allowing users to understand how they can improve performance and impact change. From automated segmentation, identifying cohorts of your data that are most likely to meet a certain condition, to building predictive machine learning models, Tellius enables users to look towards the future and make data-driven decisions that are at the speed of business. Tellius is a modern platform that helps business users to move faster. From natural language search to automated insights and predictive analytics, our unified analytics experience allows your organization to become self-service and data-driven. To learn more about Tellius, click the link below or visit our website at www.tellius.com.